Good evening, students. So today we'll be discussing the importance of Republic Day, the history and some important facts of it. So let's get started with it. Good evening, students. We'll be discussing the importance of Republic Day and some of its facts and history. So let's get started. Just a second. Okay. So before going into the history and other facts, we'll understand that what is the meaning of Republic? Why is Republic Day celebrated? That's a different question, but what does this term actually means? So the traditional definition of republic is the head of the state is an elected representative. Okay, whoever the head of the state, he or she shall be the elected representative. This is the meaning of republic. Now, why we celebrate Republic Day? What is the importance? What happened on this day? Is there any election thing happened? Because it states the meaning of republic states that head of the state is an elected representative. So is that thing happen or anything else? What do you all think? Yeah, it's a very easy question. We all know this, that Republic Day is celebrated when Constitution of India came into force. Yeah, that is, our constitution became active from this particular date. Now, what is the parallelness? What is the thing which connects both these things? The definition of republic and the constitution being in force, coming in force. So to understand this, we'll see this, that Constitution of India is considered a fundamental law of India. That is, it is the supreme law. Now, what happens? Any elected representative, head of the state, can make any law related to which governs the people of India. Yes, but from where this representative derives the power. The representative, the head of the state, derives power from the Constitution of India. He can establish a law, but only with the procedure established by law. That is, according to the Constitution, whatever the Constitution has in it, whatever it is written in the Constitution, according to that only the laws can be made. So the head of the state has the power, but Constitution is above the head of the state. Okay, it is the supreme thing. So this principle lex rex, which means that law is the king of king. So whoever the king is, no matter, the constitution will remain to be the supreme power, and the established rule of law. That is, there is everything is governed by law. So head of the state, the elected representative, however, elected by the people, for the people, but takes every decisions and implements every law according to the Constitution of India. Constitution of India is at the supreme stage. Okay, then moving to the next slide, we see that what about the first Republic Day? 1950. We all know in 1950 India became a democratic republic. It was democratic when we acquired independence, that is on 14th August 1947, but it became a republic country in 1950. Now, what does this mean? That we do not have a monarch. The head of the state is an elected representative. There is no monarchy in our country, unlike England. Now, they have queens in England, so they have this system. But in India, we have Democratic Republic. Now we'll see some of these dates. It is written 9th December 1946. What happened on this date? The writing of the Constitution started. All the parts and all the things were started to implement the Constitution. Everything started from 9th December 1946. Now, if you notice that it took 2 years, 11th months, and 18th days to bring a constitution into force. That is, a constitution was completed in 2 years, 11 months and 18 days. We'll see that. So our constitution was ready on 26th of November 1949 itself. Okay. But this is not celebrated as Republic Day. We do not celebrate 26 November 1949 as Republic Day. A constitution was adopted on this date, but enforcement did not take place on 26 November 1949. This day is celebrated as Constitution Day or Law Day, but the enforcement of the Constitution took place on 26th of January 1950, the Republic Day. Now, why this happened? A constitution started from 9th December. It was adopted on 26th November. Also, on 24th of January 1950, the members of the Constituent Assembly, 308 members of the Constituent Assembly signed the document. So the document was also signed on 24th January. So we have these two dates, 26 November 1949, 24 January 1950. However, the Republic Day is not celebrated on both of these dates. Why so? Why 26th of January was considered celebrated as Republic Day? We'll be discussing this in another slide. Firstly, we'll understand this, that it replaced Government of India Act 1935. That is, before the commencement of the Constitution, the people were governed by Government of India Act 1935. Okay, if you all know this, 70 to 80% of the Constitution of India have been taken from Government of India Act 1935 there itself. Okay, then from this date, Constituent Assembly became the Parliament of India when the Constitution was implemented, came into force. Now, why 26 November was chosen as the date for Republic Day, we'll be discussing in another slide. So this is the reason of celebrating Republic Day on 26th of January. See, the Indian National Congress in his session in 1930 declared 26th January as Indian independence. It declared this day as Poon Swaraj Day. That's why, to remember that day, to celebrate that day, our constitution framers thought that we'll be celebrating Republic Day on 26th of January, so that we can add some significance, some value to that past date when we the constitution framers thought that they declared 26th January as Poon Swaraj Day. So it is celebrated to remember and to give significance to that particular day. Okay. Then moving forward, we see how is the celebration of Republic Day takes place. What happens on Republic Day? So it is a red letter day, that is, it's a national holiday. However, the schools, colleges, offices, all of them celebrate the Republic Day. It's not an that way, it's not an off day, but the work, the studies do not happen. So it is a red letter day where it is celebrated, and it is a holiday. It is an off day. Okay. Then parade happens. All the three defense services which we have in our country, there is a parade of all of them, and this parade portrays unity and integrity of the nation. It is not to show that we have this power or something, but it is to show that India is a united and integrated country. Okay. Now, this is also important to know that it is organized by Ministry of Defense. The whole Republic Day program is organized by Ministry of Defense. Also, the awards distribution takes place on this day. Padma Awards, it is the highest civilian awards after Bharat Ratna. These awards are distributed on the event of Republic Day. Then moving forward, the last thing we'll be discussing is the difference between the Republic Day and Independence Day. However, we all know, but some things let's just recall and understand. So we all know 15th August is celebrated as Independence Day, 15th August 1947. It's been, I think, 75 years of our independence. But Republic Day is celebrated on 26th of January. which is I think 2 years of republic, being India as a republic country. Okay. Then on Independence Day, flag hosting takes place at Red Fort. On Republic Day, flag hosting takes place on India Gate, at India Gate. Okay. And it is obviously anniversary of independence and 26th January, foundation of Republic in India. That head of the state is the elected representative, and our constitution is the supreme. It acquires a supreme power. The constitution acquires a supreme power. Okay, just a second. Yes. Okay. Then celebrate to pay homage to those who have sacrificed their lives. The people who have sacrificed the life, it is celebrated to pay the tribute to those people. And Republic Day celebrate to the adoption of republic as well as self-governed power. Earlier, it was stated that until and unless India will make its own constitution, it will be treated as dominion and not the republic sovereign country. But after the commencement of the constitution, the country became democratic republic. So it's really important to know all these facts. And yeah, I think here we complete the importance and facts and history of Republic Day. So yes, on this 72nd anniversary of Republic Day, I wish you a happy Republic Day, and thank you so much for attending the class and paying attention. Thank you.